86 days of painstaking reportage, 45 drug chat excerpts, 33 sting operations, 15 stunning witness accounts and 2,064 hours of relentless focus. Times Now viewers has been leading the Justice for Sushant campaign, and Times Now will not stop investigating. Times Now will get to the bottom of Sushant Singh Rajput's mysterious death. Take a look at this special report on our 80 to 86 days of super coverage.
When the Lutyens lobby scoffed at Times Now's investigation, we let the stunning drug chats speak for themselves.
This is a chat that was deleted by Rhea Chakrabarti from her phone. WhatsApp.net Rhea. In case we speak about hard drugs, I haven't been doing too much according to, and she says MDMA is something she's tried once. Use 4 drops in coffee, tea or water and let him sip it. Let him sip it, give it 30 to 40 minutes for it to kick in.
When the gag lobby mocked our drug investigation, we let the entire drug file speak for itself.
I've got a bag full of documents that we need to glean, make sense out of, sift through them, get them in order before we can put them in a cogent manner for our viewers.
When Pro-Rhea Brigade sang apologist notes, we let incriminating evidence speak for itself.
Reach you soon, guys, and also tell Ayush to get doobies. Doobies, I'm told, is slang for marijuana, which they use. Well, that's the conversation that's going on.
When Rhea's PR stunt tried every trick in its trade, we let the stunning contradiction speak for itself.
SSR took modafinil, probably consuming it. Rhea is talking to Jaya Saha. I'm sending across CBD oil.
And she's also asking Jaya Saha whether she should give it only once a day or whether she should give it more than that. She's also talking about MDMA.
When slander became the only option for Team Rhea, we let hardcore facts speak for themselves.
Sister Priyanka unlawfully prescribed psychotropic drugs, but will Rhea's first lawyer why she fed recreational drugs like marijuana to SSR? Charge number 2. As per the complaint, Sushant died 5 days after the sister prescribed these drugs. Rhea even went on to say that the prescription was prepared by the sister and Dr. Tarun Kumar was false and fabricated, a forgery charge.
And when they finally assaulted the memory of Sushant, we let Team Rhea's desperation speak for itself.
Travesty of justice. 3 central agencies hounding a single woman just because she was in love with a drug addict and was suffering from mental health issues for several years under the care of 5 leading psychiatrists in Mumbai who ended up committing suicide due to consumption of illegally administered medicines and used drugs.
Investigation based on facts, questions based on evidence, and commentary based on legality. Times Now won't stop reporting. Justice for Sushant. Times Now won't stop reporting.